Hi guys, welcome to Richard Cabile YouTube channel, and to this video, I will teach you how to block unknown numbers by region on your Realme 5 mobile phone. And okay guys, but before we start, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel by pressing the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, let's start. So okay guys, you only have to do is go to setting in your Realme 5 mobile phone. And okay guys, here in settings, scroll down and find the privacy. Okay, go to privacy. And okay guys, here in privacy, okay, below you can see the harassment and fraud prevention. And okay guys, on harassment and fraud prevention, you can see the block and filter. Okay, you'll have to do is click the block and filter. And okay guys, here in block and filter, okay, you can see on the top the block calls. And okay guys, if you go to the block calls, you can set the rules to block calls. And okay guys, you'll have to do is go to block calls. And okay guys, here in block calls and SIM 1, okay, you can see the block unknown numbers by region. To set or to block the unknown numbers by region is click the block unknown numbers by region. And okay guys, here you can see on the upper right side on your screen the plus sign. Click the plus sign on the upper right side on your screen. And now you can select the region. So okay guys, for my example, I choose the Grenada and the Dominica and also the Canada. And okay guys, after you select the region, okay, you'll have to do is click the save button on the upper right side on your screen. And okay guys, you can see the block country or region here. And okay guys, okay, that's it. We have successfully blocked unknown numbers by region on your Realme 5 mobile phone. And okay guys, if you have a question, kindly comment below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, thank you for watching.